The Samsung Odyssey Z Notebook gaming notebook is now available in the US. The laptop, which features a slim design, a keyboard inserted in the bottom of the tray and a touchpad on the right side, comes in a single configuration that includes a 15.6-inch screen, an Intel i7 hexa-core processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 256 GB SSD. Today's games are more intense, immersive and graphics than ever, and players need technology created specifically for them. Alanna Cotton, General Manager of Mobile Computing and Enhancements at Samsung Electronics America, said in a statement. The Notebook Odyssey Z was designed to enhance the gaming experience wherever it is, take it anywhere, play without overheating and use it for the most intense games and projects. To make sure it does not overheat, the laptop is built with a Z AeroFlow cooling system, which uses double internal fans to keep everything cool from above and below.